It's been 32 minutes and this train is still sitting here. I even went back up the street to the gas station and came back and it's still here. The park is just past these tracks on the right, and going by maps, there isn't another way from what I can tell. Just under the bridge to the right is the Malcolm Martin Memorial Park. The geyser sits over to the right and is the third tallest in the world and tallest in the United States, rising 630 feet. It's not going right now because it's February and it only operates every day at noon for 10 minutes, May through September. Members of Malcolm's nonprofit group raised $4 million and it began operating in 1995. The Mississippi River Overlook Tower is here on the right. Malcolm Martin was born in St. Louis in 1912. He graduated from Yale University in 1933 and St. Louis City College of Law in 1941, the same year in which he co-founded Martin, Pepper & Martin with his father and Chris Pepper. Shortly after founding the firm, the United States entered into World War II. Martin was drafted into the U.S. Army as a private, spending much of his time in London. He was promoted to sergeant and was later involved in planning the D-Day invasion at Normandy. He studied the tides of the English Channel to find the best place, time, and method for the ships to arrive on the beaches. These contributions led to his promotion to captain and involvement in coordinating the ships on D-Day. For his contributions in planning and coordinating the invasion of Normandy on D-Day, he received a Bronze Star. After the war, Martin continued his contributions to the community. He was one of the founders of KETC Channel 9 and the Arts and Education Council of Greater St. Louis. He was a trustee of the St. Louis Symphony, a member and president of the St. Louis Board of Education from 1965 to 1977, chairman of the St. Louis Community on Foreign Relations, member of the Council on Foreign Relations, and trustee of the St. Louis Art Museum. He received the 1984 St. Louis Award and the National Conservation Award of the U.S. Department of the Interior in 1988 for work related to the proposed future development of the East Bank extension of the Gateway Arch National Park. Before the Gateway Arch was completed in 1965, Martin wanted to extend the memorial park to encompass both sides of the river and complete Eero Saarinen's, the architect of the Gateway Arch, original vision for the Gateway Arch National Park, which included an Illinois component. Martin became chairman of the executive committee of the Federal Commission established in 1987 to plan the Illinois extension and establish the Gateway Center of metropolitan St. Louis. Making the Illinois expansion of the Gateway Arch National Park a reality was Malcolm Martin's top priority and goal. Upon Mr. Martin's death in 2004, Malcolm donated over $5 million to the Gateway Center of Metropolitan St. Louis to continue his work. A goal the Gateway Center of Metropolitan St. Louis and Metro East Park and Recreation District continue to lobby and strive for to this day. On June 7, 2005, Gateway Center of Metropolitan St. Louis transferred title of the Gateway Geyser and 30-plus undeveloped acres of land to the Metro East Park and Recreation District. The Gateway Center worked tirelessly for 40 years to protect the property from commercial development, and with this transfer, entrusted them with the task of transforming the property into Malcolm W. Martin Memorial Park. On June 18, 2005, the park was officially dedicated in honor of the man whose passion, dedication, and generosity made the project possible. The park's development has been largely funded through donations provided by the Gateway Center, valued at over $15 million for both the park's development and its ongoing maintenance and operations. The park is not only home to the Gateway Geyser, but also the Mississippi River Overlook, which I'm on now, which stands 40 feet tall on the west end of the park. Its tiered structure boasts stainless steel railings which are lit up at night. Malcolm Martin Memorial Park is no doubt the best place to photograph the Gateway Arch and St. Louis skyline. Many St. Louis postcards are captured by photographers from the Overlook. It offers visitors marvelous views of the park and unprecedented views of the Gateway Arch, the Mississippi River, and the St. Louis City skyline. The park also provides passive open green space, ideal for play or picnics. I hope everyone enjoyed my little field trip to the Malcolm Memorial Park, and be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos. See ya.
Welcome to Missouri. Use the right lane to take exit 40B west, then keep right at the fork.